at what point during the budget deliberations of the 2025 budget was the 74 billion realigned to other items from the PhilHealth Fund? BICAM, House version or Senate version?
Your Honor, Mr. President, sa House version po, nandun po, pero mas nabawasan sa atin ng konti, bahagya. Pero doon po sa BICAM talagang nawala.
Mas malaki. How much was realigned in the House version, and how much was realigned under the Senate version, and how much was realigned in the BICAM?
From what I remember, Your Honor, Mr. President, doon sa Senate version, nasa 43 billion pa, no?
Ang na-realign.
Ang natira.
Ang natira.
Apo.
Out of
Tapos
the
nung
74 billion.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. President. Tapos nung BICAM, doon nga lang po na nawala na talaga.
Okay. So, yung GAA is a general law. Correct.
That is correct.
And syntax law is a special law.
That is correct.
And any lawyer will tell you, or any member of Congress will tell you that a general law cannot amend a special law.
That is correct, Your Honor, Mr.
In other
President.
words, what the Senate did and what the House did was illegal.
Your Honor, Mr. President, that's already nasa subject na po yun siguro
Alam
sa
ko po,
Supreme Court.
tinatanong ko lang. Alam ko nasa Supreme Court. And we're just discussing, dapat alam natin, hindi natin pinayagan kasi alam nating the GAA, being a general law, cannot amend a special law which is the syntax law.
That is correct, Your Honor, Mr.
Kasi
President.
naka-earmark yan under the syntax law.
Tama po. Yung
So bakit nakalusot po sa Senate?
Yung syntax law at yung sa PCSO, sa PAGCOR, lahat po yun ay naka-earmark dapat talaga.
Yun nga ang tanong ko po, paano nakalusot ito sa House? May mga abogado ron. Sa Senate, may mga abogado. Paano po nakalusot na effectively inamend ng GAA yung special law?
Yun nga po, Mr. President.
You may not answer, Mr. President. Thank you very much.
Sige.